Dear children, today we have discussed the division methods is a terminating or non-terminating decimals. So we have do it in the division method and not division method and without actual division method. Two types of methods. We have discussion about the real numbers in this chapter. Okay, we can use in the classes 9th and 10th classes also. So first model for the first question. Listen carefully. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which have non-terminating repeating decimal. So in the given question 3 by 8. So what is the fraction of the model for the fraction 3 by 8? This is the proper fraction, which is the identified fraction. So the numerator less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Are you understood, children? Clearly, the numerator less than the denominator. So this is the proper fraction. So in the given question, we should do in the division method. So solution. So 3 is divided by 8. Children, we can do in the numerator value is 3 and denominator value is a divisor. So are you understand, children? Every children we should understand in the divisor for denominator value. We can write in the denominator value for the write in the divisor. So many children are mistaken. So numerator value is 3 in this side and 8 in this side. So this is the wrong. So we should write in the denominator value divisor. So they are not division. So we can use it the point 0 point. So we can take down 0. 8 table how many times in the 38? So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So 3 times 24. So what is the required value? 6. Again, they did not do the sum. So again point makes the again we can write in the 0. So again 8 table how much times in the 60? So 8 sevens are 56. So what is the difference value? 4. Again we can make the point value for point, we can make the put the value for 0. So what about the required value for 8 fives are 40. So this is the remainder is 0. The given fraction remainder value is 0. So this is the terminating decimal. So this is the terminating decimal. So it is the terminating. It is a terminating decimal. So again we should another sum we can do it in the second problem 2 by 11 again. So solution again the denominator value we can write in the divisor value and numerator value we can dividend. So how many times we will cancel? They are not cancelled in the given sum. So we can make a 0 point. So put the value for 0. 11 table how much times? 1 time 11. The required what is the difference value? 9. Again point makes it 0. Again 11 table how much times? 8 times 88. Again what is the difference value? So 2. Again 0. Again point makes 0. Again how many times? 1 time. So 11. Again difference value 9. So 0. Again. So this is the we can observe the children. We should the repeated number in this problem. So 8 times 88. So are you understood? We can repeat the member. అంటే this is not do the remainder value for 0. Remainder value is a 0. So it is a non-terminating decimal. Children, are you understood? It is a non-terminating decimal. Are you understood? First of all, the remainder value is 0. It is a terminating decimal, and the second model sum, the remainder value is a repeating decimal. So this is a non-terminating decimal. This is the division method for this problem. But in the given method, same model, but without actual division, we can do it the sum. Second sum. Listen carefully. Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal. So, without actual division method formula, children, first writing the formula without actual division. Formula 2 power m and 5 power n. Are you understood, children? This is the formula. And this is the formula without actual division. 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 in denominator only. We can. So, are you understood? In denominator only. Example, in the first sum, 13 by 3125. So, every sum we can do the denominator value only for LCM method, and now comparing with the formula, the denominator values convert in the 2 powers and 5 powers in this method. So we have to terminating decimal. In the given problem, not converted into 2 power m and 5 power m, in this problem non-terminating decimal. For example, the first sum 3125 division. So we can use in the 2 or 5 only, but one number is there also. It is a terminating 2 or 5, 2 and only 1, and 5 and only 1. If you are both are only without actual division. Okay. 5 table. How many times, children? 6, 30, again 1, 2. Oh, sorry, children. LCM method. 3, 1, 2, 5. 5 table. 6 times 2, 5. Again 5 table, 125. Again 5 table, 25. Again 5 table, 5. So the denominator value we should write in the 5 power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 power 5. So denominator is in the form of denominator is in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. Okay, children. So in the sum 5 powers, in the sum value for 5 powers. So denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So if you want to require the value 2 only, 5 only, and both. So comparing the 5 values. So it is a terminating. Are you understood, children? The formula denominator is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So in the LCM method 2 only it is a terminating, and in the LCM method 5 only it is a terminating. In the LCM method, 2 and 5 both are having the sum, but it is also a terminating. But 2 and 5 now is having and extra added the other number, but it is not a non-terminating. In this method, for the second method, example, second method. So 12 denominator value, can take the value denominator, 2 table LCM. How many times? 6. Again 2 table. What the required value? 3. Again 3 table 1. So the LCM is 2 square into 3. But in this method, without actual addition, what is the formula for the children? 2 power m into 5 power n. But in the given question, what about the required the value? 2 power m and 5 power. But in the not 5 power n, the value is 3. So it is a non-terminating. For example, denominator is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. I understand, children. So it is non-terminating decimal. This is the very important sum, children. This is the class for the gave the 9th and the 10th classes is a very important. I mean, in the giving in the first chapter, first exercise, 9th class and the 10th class, first chapter and the second exercise, third exercise. Are you children? Okay, thank you.